Welcome to the news at noon. I am Justin Core. Stunned silence and some gasps from those listening to testimony this morning at day 21 of Lori-Vallow Daybell's murder trial. This, as a friend of Lori Vallow took the stand this morning. Vallow is the Rexburg mom charged with murder and conspiracy to commit murder in the deaths of her two kids, JJ and Tylee, as well as her husband's late wife, Tammy Daybell. News Channel 7's Shira Matsuzawa joins us live from the Ada County Courthouse right now. Shira, somewhat of a bombshell this morning in court.
Yeah, explosive testimony from that friend, depending on who you talk with. Now, she testified today that she traveled with Lori, and Lori even threatened to kill her. Audrey Baratiro is her name, and she took the stand this morning. She says she stopped being friends with Lori after Lori threatened to kill her. She says Lori called her naive and trusting, and that she would cut her up and bury her in a place where no one would find her. A shocking and perhaps unexpected moment as people listened in the courtroom, but then the defense questioned Audrey and reminded her that she was under oath to tell the truth and that she never said any of this in the grand jury proceedings, essentially implying that she was not telling the truth. Vallow's attorney Jim Archibald then said, quote, "You want the jury to believe that you didn't make this last crap up?" To which she replied, "I did not make it up." Before that moment, though, Audrey talked about how she stayed with Lori and attended religious conferences together on occasion. She even talked about the moment when Lori started talking about zombies and being possessed by spirits. She says it came out of nowhere. Today, Audrey testified about a conference they attended in the summer of 2019. She said after that conference, they went back to Lori's hotel, and Lori talked about wanting to get an evil spirit out of Charles. Charles was Lori's husband at the time. Audrey says everyone held hands and performed what's known as a casting to remove the spirit from Charles. Audrey told the court she felt uncomfortable, but still stayed friends with Lori after that. Charles died in July of 2019. Lori's brother, Alex Cox, shot and killed him in what he claimed at the time was self-defense. Today, Audrey also revealed how Chad told her he had a near-death experience and was told by a relative that Tammy would pass away before the age of 50. Something we've heard about from previous testimony. Then in October of 2019, Lori and her niece, Melanie Boudreau, now Pulowski, visited her in Missouri. During that trip, Audrey says Lori brought up the idea of working on Tammy because she had a spirit in her that needed to be taken out. Later that month, Audrey met up with Lori and her niece Melanie in Hawaii. She says they invited her because Melanie was going through a hard time and needed a friend. That's when she says Lori told her Tammy died. As we've reported, Tammy died on October 19th of 2019 at the age of 49. After that trip, Audrey went to Rexburg, where she says she stayed at Lori's condo and saw Lori and Chad very romantic, kissing and hugging. And when I stepped out of the courtroom just a short time ago, a Fremont County Sheriff's detective was on the stand, and we'll break down what he had to say coming up on the news at 4.
More incredible testimony. Shira, thank you so much. Really appreciate that.